Hi, thanks for watching that first video on how to export an Access query to Excel. And yeah, VBA can be really cool when you do things. So I was just going to add on a quick little video to show you how to add a parameter to the query. I'd kind of had that intention to begin with, but never really did it. So I'll go back to this database here, and I'll just show you my query. If I open Design View, I've actually added a parameter there called ParameterQueryToExcel. And that's going to be text. And that is going to specify the category. Actually, I have to have it be the parameter, don't I? That's going to limit my query. So now when I go, I just get the Jetsons. Okay, so save that. Got my parameter there. And close it. And now on the form, I built a list box that basically just pulls the distinct values in the category column, so I can be Jetsons or Flintstones. And right now I don't have the code built to accept the parameter, so when I click the button, just like you saw, I get the runtime expected a parameter. And you're exactly right, it's because the query is expecting a parameter. So let's go into debug and just see how to set that up. And it should take me right to the place in the code. So what you have when you deal with these query definition objects is the first start where they're instantiated is where you do the set command. Set up query def equal to whatever it was, the Flintstones or whatever. Now it's not actually going to run and bring back records until you do the open record set command. So in between there is where you really have to do the work of any parameters or any other things you want to do with that query def before you run it. And I'd even actually put in a placeholder for setting up a parameter. So I'll just go right there and show you the syntax there. It's really easy because it's got the predictive text. QDF Flintstones.parameters. Now my favorite way to reference the parameter in this type of list is exclamation point, but then you have to remember it. Param category, and I'm going to set that equal to whatever that list box is right now. So I will reference what the name of the form is. And then hit dot, and I'll get a list of everything in the form, which will be my list box. And just by list names, it will return me the name of whatever I have selected there. So I can move my execution point back up and continue to run that, and now it works fine. It goes all the way through, and it's going to put that value into my spreadsheet. And that's it. So again, I'll go back here and show you. All you have to do is do this qdf.parameters param category equals the list box or the variable or however else you want to get the value there.